Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a box to open up for you guys today. This one's from NGC. It's everybody's favorite game, What's in the Box? There's about there's 7 coins that are in here. Some of them actually shocked me. Sorry about that. Oops. Some of the grades shocked me, and 2 of the coins that are in here, I definitely don't agree with. I'm going to crack out, and it's just the name of the game. Sometimes I don't really know what was up with the graders, but let's go ahead and get into this box. Oh, these are just the, okay, cool. Sent the grades back to me, that's cool. Alright, cool, so we can actually kind of play a crack-out game. I had 3 coins that were graded by ICG that I also sent in, so we'll get to those in a minute. Let's start with these ones here. So a couple of the ones that I sent in were mostly just to kind of fill holes in the collection, and also kind of hope and pray for a higher grade, because the jump in price was actually pretty nice on some of these ones. So let's see here, this one is an O mint mark, so this is going to be the 79O. I actually thought it was a pretty decent coin. I think it, yeah, okay, so this one I was expecting between like a 60, 61 maybe, and so actually I got a 58, and just remembering it, I think this scratch, well, not really a scratch, but a smudge on the cheek is what really knocked it down. If I can get to focus in there. Enough for you to see it. And now it doesn't want to show up. I remember it. There it is. You can kind of see that line right there. I think there's that. Plus, looking at it again, yeah, I can agree. It's probably a little bit lower down there. But still, lovely coin. Glad to have it in my collection. All right, second one. Alright, so I'm seeing a S mint mark on there, so this is going to be, oh god, the 1887S. Sorry, I don't have my paper in front of me. It tells me what I sent in. This one was beat up, definitely an AU coin. Really wasn't expecting much more than that. But to get a higher grade, there is a bit of a jump up there. I don't think that it's good enough for that, but still felt like it was nice to send in. Again, get it graded, add it to my collection as a spot filler, at least for the time being. Came back. AU 55. It's okay, I kind of agree. Still got a nice luster on it still, but yeah, I agree, AU. So this one's actually pretty fun. So as you can see from the reverse. What is going on with, there we go. Sorry, I wasn't able to focus that one. So as you can see from the reverse, this is a shield nickel with rays. So 1866 shield nickel. I sent it in because it had good details. It's actually pretty nice, and I needed it for my typeset to have graded. I don't have a proof 66 rays yet, or 67 rays. So this will definitely hold the spot for a little bit until I do fill it with a proof one. But NGC, so it's a 1886 AU58. Well, yeah, no, this is 1866. If this was in 1886, it would have been the Liberty Head key date, and an AU58 is $1,200. So, I mean, I'll take it. I do know some people that do collect the label errors, and again, I mean, this is just a really nice coin. I'm not going to send it back in to get it up, put into the correct label. I'm not worried about that. I actually think it's kind of cool as it is. All right. The last Morgan of the set, and this one's actually pretty cool. So, 7 tail feathers, reverse of 79. You got the, can look at the breast feathers of the eagle. It's a nice tell, and then the other way that I usually tell is also the top feathers on the arrow. If it's at a diagonal instead of a straight, then that's a reverse of 79. So I actually thought it was pretty nice. Lots of luster, some good toning starting in there. I'm at 63. So actually, I forgot to mention too, this is one of the coins. If you saw my last unboxing video, you saw a bunch of coins that were sent in that I got for basically melt value from a Cash for Gold store. This was one of them. I went back, I had gotten the reverse of 78 last time. This time I just went back, was looking through a bunch of my coins, noticed that this one was a reverse of the 79. So yeah, I was pretty happy with finding that one, getting another spot in my collection filled. Alright, so let's see what this one is. Oh, this one's nice. I love this one. So as you can see, a Franklin $50. Beautiful toning on that. So I actually received a email about this one. They suggested that I send it to conservation. Reason I didn't do that was because the fee for conservation, the minimum fee was $25, and 1%, I think they said, of the fair market value of the coin. I didn't see where that really economically that was actually worth it. I mean, the coin itself really isn't worth a whole lot of money, and $25 is, I mean, you're biting into it. I mean, you're already paying $17 for the grading fee, $10 for the handling, $30 for shipping, it all adds up, and I just didn't see the need for it. But it did come back, proof 66. So this was one of the ones that was in an ICG holder. I'll go ahead and find the correct one. So ICG actually graded this one proof 63. So I was actually pretty happy with the upgrade. I kind of wanted it by NGC mostly because of the toning. It is really nice being in there, and definitely more sellable. Yeah, it's just nice to have. And I don't like ending on a bad note, but unfortunately I have to. So the last two that I have here are my Silver Eagles, beautifully toned, and unfortunately just didn't come back the way that I wanted them to. So here's the 96, which ICG graded MS68. I was hoping for at least 67. They called it artificial toning. Yeah, I can see with the blue. I know that, you know, it really almost immediately, as soon as they see like that neon blue, some of the graders will immediately think artificial. It just stinks. I would have loved to have seen it in an NGC holder. All right, and the last one is my 1886. Also graded MS68 by ICG. And also graded artificial toning. So lots of good ones in this unboxing here. You know, the submission. Definitely upset about these two, but it's kind of the name of the game. I'm definitely going to crack them out and submit them elsewhere. I know that they're not really worth a whole lot, but I do want to see them in the holders that they deserve to be in. But thank you so much for coming to my channel and seeing this unboxing. Have a good day.